This is a rotator with a cardboard box for a video demo, and on this rotator you've got some options. You've got some viable box holder that you can adjust if you want. This is necessary if you have different widths of cardboard box. You have a security attachment, which is also necessary if you want to turn more than 60 degrees, and you've got a interesting option here. This is side plates here or here. You can put it both ways, and it's important if your cardboard box is not stiff, if it's a little bit bending like this. So it's interesting to have those standard plates. You can also have some custom built plates, specific plates if you need. So we'll go and take and lift and rotate the cardboard box. That's very easy. You drive. You can lift here with the handle, but you can also lift with the remote. And then you can start to rotate on the right, or of course on the left. So it will goes automatically at the 0, and then continue the rotation on the left. As simple as that. And you can of course set some angles, meaning stops. So if you want to set some angles, you will set, for example, 45 degrees or 50 degrees on the left, and you will set, I don't know, a little bit less, also 50 degrees on the right. So you know that your rotation won't turn more than 50 degrees on the left and on the right. Then you can control that. So this is the 50 degrees. So this is a magnetic remote, and then this is the proper angle. And if you want to adjust the height because you're a tall person or a small person, that's really simple and easy with the handle or with the remote. Just notice that the rotation will be only made remotely. If I come back at the 0 point, you've got a security feature, because if I go down with the remote, it will stop automatically at 20 centimeters, and you have to finish to go down here. It's a security feature, and then you can get out. Have a nice day. Bye bye.